Today we will learn science fact file 2 7th class. We have here heating and cooling. In this chapter we will talk about heating and cooling. Well, by reading, if I read touch something hot and your senses immediately tell you to pull your hand away. Hotness is about the amount of heat energy an object has. Hotness, what hotness is? Hotness is actually an amount of heat energy an object has. This is what I'm talking about, the hotness. Well, students, hotness क्या है? किसी चीज़ का गर्म होना, किसी चीज़ में कितनी हीट है. हॉटनेस इज एक्चुअली द अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी. हॉटनेस क्या है? एक एनर्जी की मिकदार है. बिकॉज हीट इज अ टाइप ऑफ एनर्जी. वेल, एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हियर हीट. Here we have an example. A spark from a firework may be very hot. अब जो बेटा स्पार्क जो होता है, ये जो स्पार्क है, ये फायरवर्क से इट माइट बी वेरी हॉट, but it will not hurt very much because it does not contain much heat energy. Well, ये हार्ट तो हो सकता है, बहुत हॉट हो सकता है, लेकिन ये इतना ज़्यादा ये हर्ट नहीं करेगा, आपको जलाएगा नहीं. Why? There is a reason behind, because it does not contain much heat energy. However, even though a cup of tea may not be very hot, if we talk about a cup of tea, it might be not very hot, but it can still burn the tongue because it contains a lot of heat energy. By the comparison of spark from a firework, it may be very hot, but it will not hurt. What is the reason behind? Because it does not contain much heat energy. But when we talk about a cup of tea, it contains lot of heat energy. Maybe it is not very hot, but still it can burn the tongue because it contains a lot of heat energy. चाय की बात करते हैं. चाय की अगर if we talk about a cup of tea, तो इसमें जो है हीट एनर्जी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, लेकिन ये इतनी ज़्यादा गर्म ना हो जितना वो ज़्यादा स्पार्क होता है. स्पार्क तो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म होता है ना, इट इज़ वेरी हॉट, लेकिन उसके अंदर जो हीट एनर्जी की मिकदार होती है ना, इट इज़ नेग्लिजिबल एज कम्पेयर टू द कप ऑफ टी. वेल, दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द हीट एनर्जी एंड हॉटनेस. वेल, our next topic is temperature and heat. Heat and temperature are not the same. बहुत सारे लोगों को ये मिसकंसेप्शन है कि that heat and temperature are similar, but it's not correct. It's a misconception. When we talk about the definition of temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. किसी चीज़ का ठंडा और गर्म होना, किसी चीज़ का कितना ठंडा और कितना गर्म होना, ये कहलाता है, इसे हम बोलते हैं टेम्परेचर. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड, हीट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ एनर्जी. हीट इज़ ट्रांसफर ऑफ एनर्जी फ्रॉम अ हायर टेम्परेचर ऑब्जेक्ट टू अ लोअर टेम्परेचर ऑब्जेक्ट. इट इज़ मेजर्ड इन जाउल्स और kilojoules. But when we talk about temperature is measured in degrees Celsius, like this. Temperature is measured with the thermometer. Well, here we have two temperature scale, temperature Celsius and Kelvin. We can see here at the bottom, 0 Kelvin is equal to minus 273 Celsius. That means कि जो सेल्सियस स्केल है वो बहुत बड़ा है. ठीक है, अगर 0 केल्विन होना, यहाँ हम बात करते हैं -273 सेल्सियस. अगर सेल्सियस की मिकदार -273 तक है, यानी बहुत छोटी है, तो फिर किसके बराबर होती है? 0 केल्विन के. वेल, इफ सेल्सियस हैज़ a temperature minus 100 Celsius, then it is equal to 173 Kelvin. We see here 0 Celsius melting point, ice melting point. Well, 0 Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. 100 Celsius boiling water is equal to 373, and 200 Celsius is equal to 473. This is 1000 Celsius is equal to 1273, यानी हम बात करें 1273 की 1273 Kelvin. This is Bunsen burner flame or Bunsen flame. जो आपके घरों में जो बल्ब यूज़ होता है, द बल्ब यूज्ड ओवर योर हाउस, 2500 Celsius is equal to 2773 Kelvin. Sun's surface 6000 Celsius in Kelvin, 6273 Kelvin. This is the temperature scale, Celsius and Kelvin. Well, if we talk about further, you already know that solids, liquids and gases are made up of tiny particles. हम सब जानते हैं कि solids, liquid and gases are composed of tiny particles. Well, these particles are moving about all the time, और ये जो particles हैं हर वक्त moving में रहते हैं, यानी move करते रहते हैं. The more energy the particles have, the more they move about. जितनी ज़्यादा एनर्जी इनके पास होगी उतना ज़्यादा ये मूव करेंगे. Clear? The opposite is also true. As they lose energy, they move about less. As they have low energy, they move about less. Well, if they have lot of energy, they move fast. Well, further we will learn this change is energy is what heat. अब ये जो change है ये energy है जिसको हम heat कहते हैं. As a solid cools, heat energy is removed. The particles will move more and more slowly until they stop moving altogether. As a solid cool, when we cool solid, well, heat energy is removed, and when we remove heat energy, the particles will move more and more slowly until they stop moving altogether. This stop, or at this temperature, the temperature at which the particles stop moving is called absolute zero or absolute temperature. You can see here, this is absolute temperature or absolute zero. Absolute zero is the temperature at which a material has no heat energy. This temperature is minus 273 Celsius. This is absolute temperature scale. This is called what? This is absolute temperature scale. 270 minus 273 Celsius. Clear? When we talk about the scientific way, for scientific way or in laboratory, for scientific way, it is convenient to use a temperature scale starting at absolute zero. This temperature scale is called the Kelvin scale. It starts at absolute zero and has degrees which are same size as degrees on the Celsius scale. You can see here the same degrees